All right, Loon, let's hit it. So we just watched our first Kentucky sunrise, so that was pretty cool. Just watched it from the Walmart parking lot. That tends to be a pretty common place for us to stop and just rest up for a couple hours. It's a safe place. Last night we ended up getting lit up by the local authorities at the park we were at the Overlook. So we moved over. Luckily there was a Walmart just a few miles down the road. So right now we're headed to the skate park. We're gonna go check this place out. It looks pretty legit. It's all cement, so I'm pretty excited to check this out. And then I got a really, really awesome tip on a really cool place. So can't wait to see what that's all about. Alright, so just stopped and just grabbed some gas, but gas was $3.09. So I keep chasing those low gas prices. You know, with this big old hog, we gotta do what we can, stretch that money as far as we can go. So we're back on the road. We're about 2 hours and 2 minutes. Arrival time is 1 o'clock. Luna's gonna nap up and get rested. Just driving on the way down to the falls, and wow, stumbled upon this. It doesn't have to fall. Gotta paint the roof of the van. Comment below if you think I should leave it the way it is. Be here on the way down. Now we are inside the state park, but talk about unexpected. Very cute. Lovely, lovely. Almost fell off there. Me and Luna just want to thank everybody for watching. Big shout out to 420 something subscribers, 27 I think. So just want to thank everybody. Keep liking and sharing and supporting the channel, and we'll keep exploring and getting